welcome. Today we're not just going to learn words, we are going to breathe them in. We're about to go on this amazing, fragrant adventure where every single new word just floats, like a petal in the wind. So let's go ahead and step into this world of whispering words together. So let me start by asking you something. Can air have a personality? Really think about it. Can you actually smell happiness or a feeling of calm? Well, as our little journey unfolds, I think you're going to find that the answer is a big, resounding yes. All right, let's begin. Why don't you go ahead and close your eyes just for a second? Take a slow, happy breath in and travel with me to a place where the air itself is our teacher. Welcome to the Garden of Whispering Breezes. Okay, our very first stop on this sensory adventure is the balcony of breezes. This is where we're going to learn what it really means for a scent to be carried on the wind. Just imagine yourself standing on a beautiful balcony. The air here isn't still, it's alive. It's dancing with this gentle, happy energy. And this is the perfect place to meet our very first word. So our first word is breezy. Now, breezy describes a light, clean smell that's carried by moving air. It's that feeling when you smell it, your shoulders just kind of relax and you take this happy, gentle breath in. It's the smell of pure freshness in motion. Let's picture our friend Lily. She's standing out on her grandmother's balcony. The soft curtains are fluttering around her, dancing just like little white butterflies in the wind. She closes her eyes and just breathes it all in. And just listen to how we can capture that feeling with words. The balcony smelled breezy, as if the wind had brushed it with invisible feathers. Isn't that an amazing image? It makes the air feel so playful and pure, and just incredibly gentle. That is the essence of a breezy scent. All right, let's move from that open balcony and step inside, into the comforting and familiar smells of a cozy home. These are the smells that make us feel so safe and cared for. Okay, our next word is soapy. And we all know this one, right? It's that wonderfully clean smell of fresh soap bubbles. It's a smell that just kind of makes you smile without even trying. Let's imagine a little boy named Max at the sink. He's giggling as the bubbles foam up on his hands, and they're sparkling like tiny magical rainbows. And as he lifts his hands up, he breathes in that clean, bright scent. And the description for this is just magical, like sunshine trapped inside a bubble. So it's not just clean, it's bright and it's happy. There's another one I love. It's like a cloud wearing a tidy shirt. It's soft, neat, and just wonderfully cheerful. Moving on, we have laundry fresh. This is the clean, deeply comforting smell of clothes right after they've been washed. It feels like getting a warm hug from the sun. So now let's go back to Lily. She's jumping onto her bed, her pillow has just been washed, and she hugs it so tight, burying her face in its softness and just breathing in that wonderful, comforting smell. The scent is described as being like cotton clouds floating in a silver sky. Wow, this connects the smell not just to being clean, but to this incredible softness and peace and just relaxation. That's the real magic of a laundry fresh scent. Okay, from the softness of the bedroom, let's head to the heart of the home. We are now in the kitchen, right after a big cleaning day when everything is just absolutely gleaming. And this brings us to our next word, sparkling. Now, this isn't just clean. This is a super clean smell that actually feels shiny and bright. It's the kind of scent that fills you with this big, proud smile for a job well done. The air in a sparkling clean kitchen just feels different. It feels bright and polished. It's so clean it practically shines, kind of like a diamond that just winked at you. And you have to listen to this final description, as if the air had been polished with stars. Come on. That just elevates a simple clean kitchen into something truly magical and extraordinary. It's a clean you can almost see and feel shimmering all around you. All right, from the cozy indoors, our journey is now taking us back outside. But this time, we're going to explore the grand, powerful sense of the big, open world. Our next word is oceanic. This is that fresh, super distinct, salty smell of sea air. You know the one. It's a scent that just makes you take a deep, peaceful breath, and you fill your lungs with the wildness of the coast. So imagine we're standing on a huge, vast beach. The waves are rolling in, whispering their secrets to the sand. The air tastes just a little bit salty, and it feels completely, totally free. And this is just such a beautiful, powerful image, like the sea had opened its blue heart. It really conveys that immense, vast, and soulful nature of an oceanic smell. It's so much more than just salty air. It's like the very essence of the sea. For our final word, the air is about to get a lot colder. We're exploring the word icy. This is a cold, crisp, and incredibly clean smell. You know, the kind that makes your nose tingle just a little bit. It's that sharp, pure scent of a winter day. Let's end our journey with this final, perfect sentence. The snow smelled icy, as if winter had whispered a cool secret. It just perfectly captures the silence, the purity, and that quiet magic of a snowy landscape. It's a scent that feels both sharp and secret. And with that, our journey through the garden of whispering breezes comes to an end. We've breathed in words all the way from breezy balconies to icy landscapes, and we've discovered how every single scent really does tell its own story. So now, guess what? The adventure is yours. As you go about your day, just pay attention. Use these new words. What kind of personality does the air around you have?